Match David, Woody, Spongy, Flower, Golf Ball, and Blocky are the only BFDI contestants to never be safe with the least amount of votes. In BFDI, on A, Needle, Pen, Snowball, and Tennis Ball only have one line. Leafy's leg overlaps Tennis Ball. Ice Cube has no legs or face.
We choose Golf Ball!
In BFDI episodes 1 through 3, Michael voices Tennis Ball even though he is voiced by Carrie in the rest of the series. BFDI 3 was the first time someone called Needle needy. After Pencil gets slapped, she is no longer at the elimination area.
Now I'll say who else has 0 votes.
During the BFDI 5 tiebreaker, Needle, Pencil, Match, Golf Ball, Rocky, Tennis Ball, and Leafy are there even though they fell off the bridge. In BFDI 6, Leafy's group is the only group to never be in last place. Episode 8 of BFDI was the last episode until BFDI 5 to feature a new line for Ice Cube. BFDI 8 is the last episode to have the squishy cherries lose. Also in the screenshot, Blocky has an upside-down mouth. BFDI 9 was the first episode where Bubble appears and doesn't get popped. Eraser isn't in his tub. BFDI 11 is the only episode when Pencil, Bubble, and Match appear but do not interact with each other. When Leafy grabs a nail, she doesn't have her strap from the balloon. In BFDI 11, Rocky is not there when everyone climbs the stairs. Also, why are Fiery and Coiny so small in this scene? There is an extra pair of legs behind Book. Team No Name was on Puffball, but when Fiery Speak Box comes in, they're on the ground. Teardrop has no legs. You know how Tennis Ball and Fiery got frozen by Book? Well, after that, when it shows the whole Eiffel Tower, they aren't frozen. Bubble, Fiery, Ice Cube, and Rocky are the only BFDI contestant to have never been up for a rejoin. The only time Bubble has ever been in the bottom 2 at elimination was in BFB 23. Also, every time Bubble was first saved in BFB, one of her alliance members got eliminated.
Slice of cake left.
Rocky's leg is detached. Bubble takes off Ice Cube's leg. In episode 17, the machine misspells aggressive. The Squashy Grapes puzzle is randomly sliding up. Announcer pronounces the K sound.
That should do it. What's going on? Where's Dream Island?
We had to sell it because of budget slicings.
Now for inanimate insanity fun contestant facts. Balloon has never been voted out by the viewers both times he was eliminated. In early Season 1 production, Adam wanted Balloon to receive 3rd place, but they eliminated him out of the show due to problems with Balloon's voice actor. Along with Balloon, Baseball was the only contestant to never get a vote from the viewers in Season 1. Knife got the most votes to compete in Season 3, but he couldn't compete since he was still competing in Season 2. Apple and Marshmallow were the only Season 2 returnees to place worse than their Season 1 ranking. Apple is the highest-ranking Season 1 contestant to make it onto Season 2. Apple was the first character in Object Show history to receive more than 2,000 votes. Apple was the highest-ranking Season 2 returnee in Season 1, but the lowest-ranking returnee in Season 2. Here's more Object Show facts. Scissors has 3 candles on her cake, which means she's 3 years old. Kin was the last BFDI contestant to be made. Fiery, Golf Ball, Bubble, and Tennis Ball are the only original contestants who have never gotten the most elimination votes. Ice Cube, Bombi, Ruby, and Bubble are the only contestants who have died in every season. Teardrop didn't survive an elimination in between BFDI 2 and BFB 15. In other words, BFB 15 was the first time Teardrop survived an elimination since BFDI 2. Woody, Coiny, and Tennis Ball are the only BFDI contestants who haven't popped Bubble. Every season of BFDI, Golf Ball and Tennis Ball are on the same team. Teardrop, Fiery, and Rocky have all been on the most teams throughout the entire series at 6. And 7 if you include the total Fiery Island teams. Fiery has survived the most eliminations throughout the entire series at 19. Fiery is also the only BFDI contestant that has been on a team with every BFDI contestant. Also, Fiery lasted 25 episodes in BFB and BFDI.